Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to not allow sites to scroll and zoom shared tabs on Opera GX. It's quite simple. From the home menu, open up your settings. You can use the tab plus the P, which is the keyboard shortcut, to open up your settings. It's the easiest way to open it up. Next, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Site Settings. Under Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. And then scroll down until you see Additional Permissions. Click on the arrow to open up the additional permissions. And then you see the last option, Shared Tabs. Click on Shared Tabs. Now, we do not want to allow this feature, so you click on Don't Allow. So that means do not allow sites to scroll and zoom shared tabs. It is as simple as that. Now this affects all sites, and if you want to make an exception for a particular site, then you can go to this place of allowed to scroll and zoom shared tabs and click on Add and put the ad you want to. You put the site you want to allow, then you click on Add. So that means that particular site is the only site that will be allowed to scroll and zoom shared tabs, while the other ones will not be allowed to do that. You can add as many as you want here. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.